Let's take a closer look at corrosion basics, specifically focusing on corrosion under insulation. Now, this is a critical area because insulation often covers piping and equipment, making it harder to detect issues early. When corrosion occurs beneath insulation, it can develop unnoticed, leading to significant damage before it's even visible. This type of corrosion is particularly insidious because the insulation provides a protective barrier that traps moisture and creates a humid environment, which accelerates the corrosion process. Understanding this helps us realize why proper inspection and maintenance are essential, even when everything appears fine on the surface. It's important to consider that corrosion under insulation can cause leaks, failures, and costly repairs if left unchecked. So, in the context of overall corrosion management, addressing corrosion under insulation is vital. It reminds us that our corrosion prevention strategies need to include not only the exposed surfaces, but also those hidden beneath insulation. By staying vigilant and proactive, we can prevent costly issues and extend the lifespan of our assets.